Little street rod or rat rod action here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1934 Plymouth Coupe. That's how this started out and is titled. 350 small block Chevy power, automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 350 to be exact. Little dual Edelbrock 4-barrel setup. We're going to start it up, let you hear it running just a bit too. First, let's take a look at this front end. It does have some adjustability with the air shocks up front, so you can change your ride a little bit with the weight up front. Also disc brakes all four corners. Willwood calipers on the rear. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on polished wheels, Mickey Thompson tires, with the big fatties in the back. As far as door handles, reach through the sliding side and then pop it open right there. It is a suicide door. I'll show you it on the driver's side when we get around to starting it up, checking out the interior a little closer. As far as the rear end, it does have a Winters quick change rear end. Optima battery back here. Also some horns we're going to check out. Get to the interior, fuel cell right here. There is a fuel gauge on top of that. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And once again, those still pictures, take your time looking through them. Underside, engine bay, interior, bed of it, and look through the pictures. Like I said, take your time. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and do it. You never know what you may see come through here. Here's a prime example. Not a lot of places you'll do a video back-to-back of a 1934 street rod and be doing a Mercedes right before it. All right, so we take a little closer look at this interior. So reach through, door handles in here. Latch it, pull it open. All right, these are stationary seats. Those are bolted down. You can see seat belts intact. Kind of has a vinyl roof, if you will, set up. Pretty cool. Jason's going to take it for a drive too. I've talked to a couple people that have driven this. Say it dries out pretty nice. All right. Fires right up, I know that. Tachometer working, water temp, oil pressure. Here's the horn. Let's check it out. That'll get people out of your way. Smooth runner, no doubt about that. Instead of that dual Edelbrock 4-barrel setup, looks like aluminum heads. Got to have a bottle opener. We're at a car show. Take a peek at the passenger side here. Looks like a newer alternator. How about around to the rear? Check it out. It is a true dual exhaust setup. No cats. Nothing crazy though. Nice rumble. Looking for something different? Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Have a little fun. Won't break the bank. 1934 Plymouth Coupe. Check out the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And that phone number, 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving the 1934 Plymouth Coupe. what you might lovingly call a rat rod. A very well done rat rod. A bit more refined than some of the others that I've been in. This is an automatic right here. You can just grab the number 12 pool ball and slide it like any automatic shifter. Turn signal indicators right here, aftermarket, they are working. We even have a cell phone holder. Let's get her on the road. Very low center of gravity. I feel like I should be on the salt flats setting a record. What a fun car though. We have racing style bucket seats in this car. Not much interior to speak of, however. There is a cylindrical glove box right there. Our gauges are working, the oil pressure is 65. Tachometer is working, showing 2,000 RPM. What we do not have is a speedometer. But who needs that, really? Water temperature 180. Electric fan switch over here is on. Brakes working well. Kind of a longer feel to this wheelbase. You can see everything happening up there. Just look right out at your tires and watch where you're turning. That's fun too. Open wheel. Nice throttle response. Smooth running car. For a dual carb setup, it's a smooth runner. And fun to get on the throttle. Mean sounds in this car. Loving that chrome hood ornament. Take a look at all the pictures. Look at all the custom handiwork that's been done to this machine at uniqueclassiccars.com.